Okay, here's the tutorial for some of the movements for Ugh-a-Wug. The first time that you guys are gonna move is when you're moving from the Lost Boys side is gonna be over by Peter. Raise your hand, Ada. Okay, and the Brave Girls will be over gathered behind Ellie, okay? And then the first time that you do the Ugh-a-Wug when we get in trouble, you're gonna be moving to your pair position. So you'll have to look at the sheets to figure out where your positions are, but this is the way that you're gonna move. If you are a Lost Boy, you're gonna move in the scissor step, like that, okay? So you're gonna go from that side over to wherever your position is doing that scissor step, okay? If you are a Brave Girl, you're gonna do this like it's half a pony step. Okay, let's just do your feet first, Ellie. So you're going down and down and down and down and down and down. Okay, try to keep that supporting leg straight as you go down. Okay, so you're just pushing up a little bit. Do it slowly, Ellie. Down, up, down, up, down. Yes, but on the emphasis in this song, it's going to be down and down and down and down. Your arms are going to go back and front and down and down. Back and front. Back and front. Yes, okay, so you'll move to your first positions that way, and then you will all sit down, okay? Then there'll be a part where Tiger Lily tells everybody to stand up, all the Brave Girls to stand up. So no matter where you are, the Brave Girls are gonna stand up, and then Peter will do the same thing for the Lost Boys, and then you're gonna do this jump up thing with your arms up on Ibbity Bibbity. So it's gonna go Ibbity Bibbity, Ibbity Bibbity Sab, and then Lost Boys and Peter. Good. Okay, now this Puff-a-Wuff thing is you're doing an abdominal crunch. You're crunching your abs in, okay? Yeah, so it's like somebody's punching you in the stomach, but you do it really fast. So ready, you guys are gonna go Puff-a-Wuff, 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 Puff-a-Wuff. Then you punch your right arms out, pow, and then turn the front and do your left arm. Good. Then you're gonna do your right arm in the air, up, Ibbity, Bibbity, then both arms, and then both arms down. So let's do that fast. The right, left, here we go. Right, left, both down, okay? And now you're gonna hit two different poses. And in the videos, Ada and Ellie sometimes forgot their poses, but you're gonna come up with two different poses. And you're gonna do the first pose when you do the Sobble Seevel, if we come to evil. Okay, so you'll do one pose on Sobble Seevel, if we come to evil. Good, now you're gonna move to this motion, and it is a high step with a jump, okay? And when you do that, you're gonna do it, your right foot's gonna come up first. You can put your foot down if you want to. Your right foot will come up first.